that Pipu photo you just posted
It's
in
definitely
Pet's
not ready.
Discord. That looks like me. Suck my dick, Grams.
Oh, that'll
What if
work,
I
you know.
Photoshop a pic of him on my leaf?
I'm alright with that.
Hey.
I'm definitely okay with that.
It's not a photo cake, it's a remote of Luke as a peepo.
Crank it up!
Break up the heat? Probably. Probably not a bad idea.
A dizzy Viking wolf.
My cheese away.
Bad news. I don't know Photoshop.
What's the bad news? Well then, damn, dude. You're gonna have to find another way. Maybe you can pay somebody on Fiverr to do
I
it.
know Photoshop.
I think you need to abandon literally every part of your life until you learn how to use Photoshop. Just like no more showering, no more going to the bathroom.
Ago.
Just
I love you,
Photoshop.
Izzy. I love you, Bino.
Well, that's some good cheese sauce, dude. I would say when it comes to the cheese sauce, I think I should have put some more kimchi in there.
Cheese.
Oh yeah? I mean,
Yeah.
it says to add some more at the end.
Cheese, eh?
Some chopped like right in there at the end. So
What's up, bitches?
I'm actually down with that. Yo, Lily.
Cheese, eh?
What's up, Lily?
Hi, Lily.
Cheese, eh?
Lily. Timer ding dong.
Ding dong. Okay, let's. Any
Hey,
testers?
Chase, who is the
Somebody
one?
want to test this pasta for
Lily.
me? I need like a spatula again, dude. That's got bacon juice on it. Why is my sink water turning brown now, dude? It was just like red
God.
before. It's just.
Prob not ready though since water wasn't boiling TBH.
Yeah, you're probably right. But. Yeah, it's definitely
I
not
put
ready.
another 5 minutes in the meanwhile.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna say another 3, but probably another 5 is probably good. Yeah, rain is it's gotten worse. It's gotten worse. Rain. I don't know what the fuck that is floating in there. Just like
Ever try using cooked pasta shells as nipple covers?
every day, that's my go-to.
is that
That's very bad.
is that functional?
Yeah, totally.
Shinshin
And then if you need a
Kitchen
snack,
Cook
Cooked pasta shells.
oh thank you for the kitchen compliment. It's fucking small, but I make the most of it.
Brown water just means you're quick starting the mold.
Oh, hey, what's up, Biggie?
I don't know, I was wondering.
Quick starting the
Just
mold
in
farm.
time. Dinner's served.
Usually my mold is different colors
Kitchen oil.
than brown though.
Welcome to the land of the living, my
It's
guy.
not how big it is, it's what you do with it. Car is back, but small sucks.
Собака фаер. Юрий Кулин Сеймен.
Dude, I'm gonna need a bowl to make this in actually. I wasn't thinking about that.
Yeah, you probably
I'm
need like a pretty
small and
deep
I
bowl,
guess
too.
I suck too and mow my fire.
I'm gonna reheat the chicken. Reheat. Let's see.
Camel has eaten 100 tots so far.
OMG you too. At
You
Cake
think I can-
Philosopher, you are fun.
You think I can
son.
make this in like a fucking styrofoam